Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to a game on your PlayStation 5. And this is really easy to do. So what I want to do is go back to the control panel and then go on over to the game base by pressing the PlayStation button. Then locate your friends right here and then go to a friend. And on everyone's profile, there will be an option to invite them to the game. So let's go to Action 6 right here. And then go to this little icon. It says invite to game. Select it. Then when you're in the game lobby for a specific game, so I'm in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, and it should automatically pop up for you, then you can select this and it'll invite them to the current session. So you do have to be in a specific lobby to invite them to a party. If you're just like on the home screen or something like this, the login screen, you will not have the option to invite them to the game. Now, sometimes this will also work on the party screen. So I'm in a party voice chat right now. There is this little invite to game option. I can select this and I can invite all the party members to my specific game. So I don't have to go to individually each person's name to invite them. But I've noticed sometimes this does not work. You can see Call of Duty is not showing up under here, but it will work in Fortnite, Battlefield, etc. Then also under your friends list, you will know if you are able to join a friend's game. So if I go over this person's name who's playing Fortnite, I can select it and it will say in progress and his lobby will be joinable. So I can join off a friend's game. So it says join on the top. So if they are in the lobby and you can join them, you can join based off of their profile. Or if they're in the party chat, you can go to their name and you can join their lobby off the party chat. Now, one thing I do have to note is if you go to their profile when you're on a PlayStation 4 specific game and you try to invite them to the game, well, your game will not show up on here. This is only for PlayStation 5 specific games. So if you are in the game, you have to invite them through the in-game lobby. So in Minecraft, I have to press options and then go to invite to game right here, and then find them under this list to invite them. So it can be really dependent on how you invite them to the game, whether it's a PlayStation 5 game or a PS4 game. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.